Okay, we're getting ready to de-seed these jalapenos. They'll be going in there along with strawberries. What are we making? We're making strawberry jalapeno fruit roll-up leathers. Stay with us. Now, slice the end off of them, and we're going to de-seed these things. We don't want it to be so spicy we can't stand it. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 halves of medium size. Just kind of cut them up a bit. Make them where we can blend them all right. Put them in there. Oh. All right. We have them in the blender. Now let's get them strawberries. These are frozen strawberries. And they're not frozen now, but they were. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of concentrated lemon, 100% lemon actually, in there. A tablespoon, a little more, not too much more. Okay, now put some honey in there, and I'm just going to guess it because I don't want to get my spoons all honeyed up. And that, about a tablespoon. Okay, that should be about 2 tablespoons or close to it anyways. Now let's put this on there, and we are going to give it a Yeah, boy, that come up pretty good. Let's add the other end to it. Got some more here. Oh, missed. All right, let's finish blending this up. All right, I think, by golly, we got her blended up there. And let's see if I see what it tastes like, just to see if that's what we're gonna like. It's not bad. I taste the jalapeno. It's not hot. Got some sweetness to it. Looks good. We'll be back. We're gonna pour it on here the best we can. And we're just gonna try to okay. Let that one kind of go into place there. And hopefully it won't be too bad there. Probably should have stopped before it got to there. Put together. Okay, now let's try this one. And then, there it. Yeah. Okay. something. Okay, we have them set in there. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trays. Okay, we're set at 1:35, but we're going to change the time. And I am going to go 8 hours. And I don't want 30 minutes on there. There, now we go 8 hours right there. Oh, I turned it off. Okay, so we're going to go 8 hours at 135 degrees. Okay, I think these may be ready. Here's some fruit roll-ups. Set this to the side. This ought to peel right off. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm going to go about right here. Let's see. We can take those. Aha, look at there. Look at that there. Let them cool.